Hey you guys, what's up? I know I have been MIA the last week. I didn't really post any new videos. With Easter and everything going on, I just didn't really have time to film any new videos, but today I'm back and I have for you guys a PR haul. So before we get into all of the new products that I have to show you guys, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out my giveaway. It's going to be ending very soon. You guys do not want to miss out on it. I'll have a link for it in my description box below. Also, I'll have the video up here in the cards if you guys want to see all of the prizes. Today's post notification shout out goes to, I believe it is Diamond Love. Thank you so much for having your notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on, and that's it. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first package I have here to show you guys is from Pixi. They always have like the best PR packages. They sent over a bunch of their skincare products. These are from the Glow collection. So here are all of the products in here. I'm just going to pull them out one by one and show you guys them and then tell you a little bit about each of them. So the first one we have here is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. It says this hydrating cleansing gel removes impurities without stripping the skin of essential moisture. Formulated with, I don't know what that word is, moist clean, and a unique blend containing glycolic acid, horse chestnut extract, aloe, and ginseng. It helps refine and brighten complexion, leaving skin energized and smooth. So I have already used this one time. It did feel really nice on the skin. It doesn't really like lather up, which is actually good because it's not going to strip your skin of any kind of oils. So I'm definitely going to continue using this and I will keep you guys updated with how I'm liking it. I know you guys really want to see a skincare routine from me, but I do not have like a set solid skincare routine yet. That's why I have not done one yet. I really want to only show you guys when I have my skincare routine like down and nailed. The next thing that came in that box is the Pixi Glow Tonic. I have heard so many good things about this. This is a toner. It has 5% glycolic acid, which exfoliates the skin. This also has ginseng and aloe vera. I'm pretty sure they all have like the same kind of ingredients since they're from the same collection. I really am excited to try this out. I have been wanting to pick it up, but being on the Pixi PR list, I didn't want to like buy it and then get it in PR, and I did end up getting it in PR, so I'm really excited. I will keep you guys updated with this as well. The next thing we have here is the Pixi Glow Tonic Serum. So this is similar to the Glow Tonic, just in serum form. It says to massage 2 to 3 drops onto cleansed, toned skin before your moisturizer. So I guess you can use them like back to back. I'm assuming all of these products that you can use like in order, they're labeled like 1 through 5. So I guess this is like an entire like skincare routine. So the next product we have here, I've also heard really good things about. This is a moisturizer. This is their Phenomenal Gel Moisturizer. I'm assuming this is like a pH balancing moisturizer. Let's see. Yeah, it says balancing and pH neutralizing moisture gel. I did try this out this morning and it felt so good on the skin. It is like that gel type of moisturizer, which I prefer personally. I really like gel moisturizers, especially before I put on makeup. This one felt really hydrating. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. And then the last thing that came in this PR package is this Pixi On The Glow little like stick moisturizer. I'm probably going to be putting this in my next giveaway because I just don't see myself using a product like this. This is like a stick moisturizer. Basically, you just like put it on in places where you need extra like moisture. You can put it on your lips as well. I just cannot imagine myself using this. It does seem like a nice product, so yeah, I'm probably going to be putting this one in a giveaway for you guys. So that is everything that I got from Pixi. A huge thank you to them for sending me this amazing package. I am always so grateful for all of the PR I get from Pixi. Next up, I have a PR package here from Marc Anthony Haircare. I love their hair care products, so yeah, I got a really nice package from them. They sent over one of their new collections. This is the Big Volume collection. So first up, we have the shampoo and conditioner. These are both thickening formulas. It says that they are weightless, volume boosting, and strengthening. The shampoo says it also is root lifting. These are both free from sulfates, parabens, and all of that. All of their hair care products are like that, which I really like. They smell really good as well. Next up, we have their thickening cream, which I'm pretty sure this is like a blow dry cream. Yeah, it says that this instantly volumizes without weighing hair down. This lightweight cream plumps and thickens each strand for long lasting all day volume. Fine flat hair instantly looks and feels naturally fuller and thicker. So this is their anti-frizz blow dry formula. I always really like a good cream that you put on before blow drying your hair. So I'm excited about this one. And then the next thing that we have here is their Dream Big Volume Hairspray. I actually have one of their other hairsprays right here, the Bye Bye Frizz hairspray, like just sitting right here because I always use this when I'm filming because I get a lot of flyaways. I'm actually gonna spray this on my hair right now and just see. That smells so good. I really like that all of their hairsprays are like flexible hold hairsprays so they don't make your hair feel like crunchy or anything. Then the next thing we have is their Big Volume Volumizing Super Powder. So let's see. Flat, lifeless hair is just a puff away. Lift your roots to maximize 2 times more volume for 24 hours. So I'm assuming this is kind of similar to like a dry shampoo. It's a powder that you put in your hair, but you spray this. So this is actually a spray. I might be putting this in one of my upcoming giveaways as well, just because I don't see myself really using a product like this, but it does seem interesting. And then the last thing that we have here is their 7-in-1 Thickening Treatment Foam. So it says that you put a palmful of this into wet or damp hair from the roots to the ends and comb through and leave in. So this does look interesting as well. It says it lifts the roots, moisturizes, detangles, thickens strands. It's a weightless formula and nourishes your hair. So that is everything that I got from Marc Anthony. Thank you so much to Marc Anthony Haircare for sending me all of these products. So next up, I got a PR package from Revolution Skincare. If you guys did not know, Makeup Revolution has its own skincare line. They recently came out with some new face masks. So they sent me all 4 of the new face masks. The first one is the Warming Gel Moisturizing Mask. I'm kind of nervous about this one just because I don't know like how warming it's going to feel on the skin, but I have seen some people use this on Instagram and it does sound interesting. Then we have their Pink Clay Detoxifying Mask, which I'm super excited about. I've always wanted to try a pink clay mask. All of these I'm pretty sure are like masks that you leave on, for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we have their Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Hydrating Mask. So I guess this one is not 10 to 15 minutes. All the other 3 are. This one you do leave on overnight and then you wash it off in the morning. And then the last one is the Charcoal Purifying Mask. I always love a good charcoal mask. This one is a wash-off mask, not a peel-off mask, because sometimes those charcoal peel-off masks really hurt. This one you just leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. So yeah, I'm really excited about all of these. I'm probably going to be using them in like my upcoming Instagram videos. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on there. I do post like other types of videos on there and other content. So that is everything that I got sent from Revolution Skincare. So a big thank you to them for sending me over these masks. So the last PR package I have here to show you guys is from the brand Alter Ego. They are a new brand. They sent me their Temptress eyeshadow palette. It is the palette that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I'll have a tutorial up on this later this week, but this palette is supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia Sultry palette, I believe it is. This palette is gorgeous, you guys. I do not own the Sultry palette. I really want it. I just haven't wanted to spend the money on it, but they do make this palette, which is a dupe for that one, and these shadows performed really nicely, as you can see. So yeah, a big thank you to them for sending this over. I'm gonna have a mini tutorial using this palette on my Instagram as well. If you guys wanna see that, make sure to keep an eye out for that. So those are all of the PR packages that I've gotten in like the last week. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys check out that giveaway I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. I'll have it linked in my description box below, and I'm also going to have links to all of the products that I mentioned in today's video there as well if you guys want to check any of them out. And before you leave, make sure you click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.